So guys, welcome to another vlog. My name is Claudia Works. For those who are new here, welcome. And make sure to subscribe to this beautiful channel. If you are watching for the first time, welcome. And guess what? I'm back to the streets like I never left. Like I never left. So let's walk this down together. And I hope you have been enjoying my vlog. Good sana bro, how are you?
I'm fine. Yeah.
Welcome to Claudia Works YouTube channel.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. What do you normally do here in Isili?
I sell fruits.
You sell fruits, eh?
Yeah.
So guys, this guy normally sells fruits here in Isili. Once you come to Isili and you pass along this route,
Yeah.
you ask for
Anthony.
Yeah. Say hi to my fans.
Hello. I want to greet everyone.
Yeah.
I'm Anthony. I sell fruits at Isili. Welcome one, welcome all. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. So guys, let's keep on walking.
Thank you, baby. I'm alright.
You're alright?
I'm out with
Okay. People are so they are so friendly. Okay. So guys, I just went to another street, and the street seems to be so busy. The street seems to be so busy. We have a construction going on over there. Oh, alcohol. Okay. I'm just asking. Oh, wasalimie. Fiti bro.
Salimiana.
Fiti. Wambia rada. Wambia rada. Wambia capital city ya Jamaica.
Capital city ya Jamaica na Kingston.
Kingston. Tell us more about Kingston.
Kingston mimi sijui sana lakini kila mtu nasikia anadunda. Watu wote wako na spring chini ya mguu. Hata mzee pia.
What do you think most of the people who are going to Jamaica?
Watu wengi wanaenda Jamaica lazima wanakuwa ni watu wa Jakoya.
What's the reason for going to Jamaica?
Jamaica ni mahali mtu anaenda kukula happy labda ni island.
No, this kind of
Kama hiyo, unaona? Na alafu ka free country, unaweza smoke bila kusumbuliwa na mafanzi.
Na wewe? Tuendelee kuongea.
Mimi nimekwama, nimeshindwa ni media gani
kwanza? Ni media Claudia Works. Ni Claudia Works, YouTube.
Okay, sawa.
Alafu ukiongea kwa mrembo enda pale kwa hiyo ni wa Jamaica hao.
Ni wa Jamaica?
Anaela
Jamaica yote.
Oh, this guy is a Jamaican.
So what?
What's your name?
My name is Mr. Kenyogo, aka Doc, aka Flavix, aka Kuchoma Manjoti, sawa? Yeah.
Okay, what do you know about Jamaica?
What I know about Jamaica, first I know the king of dancehall, the king of vibes, Vibes Cartel, Vibes Cartel, world boss. Yeah.
Can you talk about what do you think most of African people are moving to Jamaica? What do you think most of the people are going to Jamaica or are relocating to Jamaica?
Oh, most of African people relocating to Jamaica?
Yes.
First of all, what I can say is just that, you know that Jamaica is full of weeds, weeds that makes us high. So people go there to uproot them. You know, there is a big factory, a big company of weeds. So people go there to earn a living in those factories. And Vibes Cartel is the manager of that company.
Okay, it seems that you know Vibes Cartel a lot. Can you sing one song for...
Me make your boom boom happy. Me make your boom boom, Me make your boom. You know. Let me stop there.
Tell my fans something.
Your fans, I love them too. They should also love me and they look for me because also I'm a content creator.
Give yourself a shout out.
So let me just stop there. You know, if I talk too much, my head sometimes
Give
can.
yourself a shout out.
Shout out.
Yeah.
I should shout for myself. I've already shouted out for myself.
Your name,
inside.
your handles.
Yeah, let me stop there. Fine.
Okay, thank you so much for your time. Okay, let's keep on going, guys. Ako happy. Khalifa, hi. How are you? Pity, bro. Haina shida, we love this. This guy is eating some rice. Okay. What's your name? You love me? Oh, tell them you love me. I love you. Yo, this guy loves me. Come here. What do you think most of the people are locating to Jamaica?
Imeniramba.
Imekuramba? Nini unajua kuhusu Jamaica?
Kuhusu Jamaica, mimi najuanga kuna kuanga na Warastafara pekee.
Rastafara. Yeah. Kuja tuendelee. Nini unajua kuhusu Jamaica? Tell us what you know about Jamaica.
I don't know anything about Jamaica. I'm farming of marijuana. Farming of weed, of course. That's what I know about Jamaica, you know. Yeah.
Okay, if given a chance, would you love to visit Jamaica?
Of course, that's my dream country.
Talk of Jamaican girls.
Jamaican girls,
very hot
like
and
so
sexy.
Cecil. You know, Cecil is an investing musician. I love her so much. Otherwise, we are going somewhere.
Can you sing for us one song?
Give us something.
Oh, I'm going to give him.
We are not asking. We are asking for payment because you are doing for the donation.
Okay, talk about Jamaica. You okay? Okay. Hey, bro. Okay, let me. Yeah?
This is Jamaican Rasta.
Oh, you are Jamaican.
Rasta, like a people.
Khalifa, come here. That guy is rhyming, but Lisa asked for tufanyia komedi moja hapa. This guy is a comedian and I just want to do us one comedy.
Comedy atagaya sasa. Comedy tutaona tulikuwa tumepanga tutoe kitu macho sawa.
Haya, sawa. Mtajiona kwa Claudia Works YouTube channel. Okay. Nakuja. Oh, much love from these beautiful streets and I'm enjoying. I hope you are enjoying too. And if you like the video, kindly subscribe, support your girl here. Let's keep on walking as we enjoy this beautiful street from Isili, guys. So guys, this is how everything looks like here in Isili, Kenya, Africa. And the streets are so busy. Look at that beautiful mall over there, guys. Nakuja kidogo. Guys, look at this vibe. You know, I love matatus here. We call them Ganya. And hey, if you come to Nairobi, make sure you got those matatus. They are so nice, so vibing. And guys, I know you love everything about Kenya, Africa. There are some guys who are trying to call me their matatus. Yeah. Let's walk around. Hi. YouTube. Yeah? Wanna say hi? Oh, talk to my Na unasikianga iko na nini?
Huko mangoma za huko zimekuwa na tabu.
Unajua he's saying that songs from Jamaica they are so good and trying to convince him to sing for us. Tuimbe song moja.
Mimi nimefurahia tu kuona.
Umefurahia kuniona? This guy is so happy to see me around, but I'm just happy too. Yeah, mimi niko fiti. So guys, much love from here. And if you're watching for the first time, if you just come across this YouTube channel, don't skip the hand, make sure to subscribe. We will love you, Team Claudia.
Oh yeah, you too.
Yeah. So guys, you see the love I'm getting from this one. I'm happy. I'm happy, guys. You are happy?
You are happy.
Yes, I was telling you hi.
Hi.
Wambia wa subscribe to Claudia.
What's up?
Subscribe, Claudia.
Oh, subscribe, Gloria.
Yes.
Oh.
Okay, guys, let's keep on walking around, guys, as we interact with more people. And my God, the streets are so busy. We have traffic jam around this area. That's what I'm waiting for, so that I can go to the other side. Beautiful streets of Kenya, Nairobi, Africa, and I'm coming live from Eastleigh. Fiti, look at those guys. Woo. So guys, I think I should end my video here. I hope you have enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe to this beautiful girl channel. And guys, tell a friend to subscribe so that we can reach to 5,000 subscribers by the end of this month. Yeah, I know with you guys we can make it. See you in the next video. Bye bye.